Human beings depends on nature for fulfilling their needs. Look around you. The air we breathe, the water we drink, the food we eat, it all comes from one incredible source, that is nature. Every single day, nature provides for us in ways we often take for granted. But how exactly do we depend on it? And what happens if we lose it? Let's explore today. Number one, the basic needs. How nature sustains us. First, let's talk about survival. Nature gives us everything we need to live. Number one, oxygen and air. Forests are the Earth's lungs. Trees absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen. Without them, we would not have clean air to breathe. Number two, water. Fresh water from rivers, lakes, and rain keeps us alive. No water means no life. That's simple. Number third, food. Everything we eat comes from nature. Fruits, vegetables, grains, and even meat. The soil, the sun, the rain, they all work together for feed us. Fourth, shelter and resources. Wood for our homes, cotton for our clothes, even the material in our smartphones, they all come from nature's raw material. Second, the hidden dependency beyond survival. But nature does not just keep us alive, it makes our lives better in ways we don't always notice. In case of medicine, do you know 75% of modern medicines comes from plants? From aspirin to cancer treatment, nature is our great pharmacy. Mental health, spending time in nature reduces stress and boosts happiness. You ever feel calmer near a forest or beach? That's nature's therapy at work. In the case of energy and innovation, solar power, wind energy, hydropower, even our clean energy solution rely on the forces. The crisis, what happens if we lose the nature? But there's the problem. We are taking more than nature can give. A big problem is a deforestation. We lose 10 million hectares of forest every year. That's like 27 saucer fields disappearing every minute. Pollutions and climate change. Our air and water are polluted, and climate changing is making storms, droughts, and heat waves worse. In the case of biodiversity loss, 1 million species are at a risk of extinction. If bees disappear, our food supply collapses. Every creature really matters. The solution: how can we protect nature? The good news, you can still fix this. Here's how you can help. First, reduce, reuse, and recycle. Cut plastic waste, recycle properly, and choose reusable products. Number two, support conservation. Protect forests, donate to wildlife, NGOs, and visit national parks responsibly. Go green, use renewable energy, eat more plant-based meals, and instead of drive when possible. Number four, spread awareness. Share this video. The more people know, the bigger the change we can make. At the last, nature gives us everything. Now it's our turn to give back. Small actions today can save our planet for tomorrow. So tell me in the comments, how do you depend on nature? And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for our videos like this. Together we can make a difference. Thank you. Thank you. Thanks a lot.